In this video, I will guide you on how to fix Discord search not finding old messages. First, launch open the Discord app. Make sure to log into your account. Now you want to tap on the DM option right here. Here, tap on the search bar. Now the first thing you want to do is check your search filters. Tap on this filter icon right here. Make sure that there aren't any filters limiting your results. Try searching without any filters first, and if you're using a date filter, clear it or expand the date range. You can also set the before date to a far future date so older messages are not included. Next, check which channel you are searching. Make sure all channels are selected. If you search within a single channel, Discord will only return messages from that specific channel. If you're not finding messages, try using more specific keywords or phrases that are likely to appear in the message, such as include a program name, username, or a unique word from the conversation. You should also check your server settings if you have permission. For that, head over to your server, tap on the server name at the top, tap on Settings. Now, review any message retention or archive setting to ensure older messages haven't been removed. Keep in mind that if messages were deleted or the server has limited message history, they cannot be recovered through search. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.